Hi, I'm Becky and welcome to my channel. Today's video is about making a bouquet with the chocolates. We're not using a Ferrero chocolates, but we're using a different kinds of chocolates. So, here are the materials that we need. Let's start with the chocolates. What we're going to use today is either a Cadbury chocolates or a Kit Kat chocolates. Stuffed toy materials. The one that I'm using today is quite bigger, like around 6 to 7 inches stuffed toy materials. So we're going to use Chimmy from the BT21. You also have some options if you want Stitch or other characters, that's also possible. Aside from the stuffed toy materials and the chocolates, we also have here the materials that we need. Of course, the tape and the tape dispenser. So I bought a new tape dispenser. We also have here the ribbon, light blue ribbon. Here are the wrappers that we're going to use. Shades of blue, there's a light blue and then the darker blue. Don't forget the scissor. We still need the balloon cup and then the balloon stick. So let's start making the stuffed toy bouquet with Cadbury or Kit Kat bouquet. So for the chimney, I already showed this how to do it on my previous video, so you can visit my previous video if you haven't watched it on how to do that. And then we're going to put the balloon cup and the balloon stick, tape both sides, making it sure. Okay. After doing that, today I'm only going to use 3 Cadbury chocolates for today. Using the balloon stick, tape in at the back chocolates. So there. When you're taping the chocolates from the balloon stick, make it sure it's not moving. So we're going to do it 3. This is just an easy way on how to make a stuffed toy bouquet with chocolates. It doesn't necessarily that you're going to use Ferrero, but you can definitely use other chocolates. So then I tape in the 3 chocolates. Okay, and also tape in here, so good. I'm going to put now bouquet wrapper on the chocolates. So we're using shades of blue. This one is light blue or sky blue. So all the 3. I guarantee you that this will definitely be a good type of bouquet that you can give to your loved ones. On again with the 3 pieces. So using the stuffed materials, you just have to put so layering. So if you notice, Chim is still showing the face. You can use, if you want the 6, it's okay. On this side first. And then at the bottom, tape. So since it's moving there, if you notice it's moving and it's covering the face of Chimmy, you can tape here, this side. So just tape here so it will not move and cover the face of Chimmy. Okay. I'll just make more tape on this side. Okay, so there you go. It's already taped in. We'll get the sky blue materials. So I'm going to use this time the tape to do it, tape it here. So on this side, I use the tying materials. We're going to use now the darker shades of blue. On my next video, by the way, I'm gonna there is a video that I'm going to do showing you in National Bookstore what are the materials that we saw and how much it is. Although I'm not using now the materials that I can find in National Bookstore because the wrapping material there is thinner. This is much thicker, the one that I'm using. So for the wrapping, I'm using a lot of it. Yeah. Okay, I'll make another shades of this color because I want to emphasize more of the colors inside. So it's like different kinds of layers that will happen. And this would be the last wrapping of the bouquet. And as always, we have to cut whatever the excess here. We're now going to put the ribbon on the bouquet. Make it tighter. Tight. Okay. There. Simple. And we're done with it. So I'm done with a simple bouquet you can give to your loved ones. So this is the finished item that we made, which is chini and the 3 Cadbury chocolates, shades of blue of wrapping, and the ribbon is the sky blue wrapping. It's just simple, it's easy, and you can definitely make it like within 30 minutes or less than 30 minutes. You just need the right materials on how to do it. On my previous video, I've shown you the Ferrero with the Stuffedtoy materials. So aside from this is the other options that we can do. Okay, so I hope you learned something on this video, and on the succeeding video we'll definitely make another options for the bouquet that you can make for your loved ones. And we're also doing like creative, extraordinary bouquet, not only just a typical bouquet type like this kind, but I'm thinking also with the box and with the other materials that you can only find anywhere, because it's not as easy as it is sometimes to find the materials that you're going to use if you're going to make a bouquet, especially if you just wanted to do it one time or occasionally, not like any other like a flower shop and all that they normally do it like every day, because they have a flower shop. But since you're doing it occasionally, just to make it sure that your loved ones will love the presents that you're going to give, then I'm gonna give you some tips on where to find it. But the easiest here in Metro Manila is always National Bookstore. They have a lot of options. And don't miss my next video. I'm going to show you some of the items that we saw from National Bookstore on how to make an extraordinary bouquet. So watch out for that. Anyway, thank you for watching for this video. Please click like, subscribe, and comment below if you have some suggestions. Bye!